What if I told you there's a 70-year-old man who has more energy, stamina, and vitality than most 30-year-olds? No prescriptions, no synthetic supplements, just a simple morning ritual using ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now. This isn't some internet myth. This is based on actual nutritional science that's been hiding in plain sight for decades. By the end of this video, you'll discover why this 3-ingredient combination is being called nature's energy elixir, how it supports male vitality at any age, and the exact preparation method that activates compounds most people never access. But here's what shocked me the most. One of these ingredients contains a natural compound that works similarly to medications costing hundreds of dollars per month. I'm going to show you the research, break down the biology, and explain why age is just a number. When you fuel your body correctly, if you're over 40, over 50, or even over 70 and want to reclaim the energy and confidence you thought was gone forever, you need to watch every second of this. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop your name and location in the comments, and feel free to ask any questions you have down below. Let me ask you something honest. When did you start accepting fatigue as normal? When did low energy become something you just live with? When did you stop expecting your body to perform the way it used to? Here's the hard truth that nobody wants to talk about. Aging doesn't have to mean declining. The reason so many men experience drops in energy, stamina, circulation, and vitality after 40 isn't because their bodies are broken. It's because they're nutritionally starving in the areas that matter most for male health. Your cardiovascular system needs specific nutrients to maintain blood flow. Your hormones need particular vitamins and minerals to stay balanced. Your cellular energy production requires precise fuel. Without these, you're essentially asking a high-performance engine to run on low-grade fuel. And before we go any further, drop a comment right now telling me where you're watching from. I want to know how many countries are learning about this powerful combination today. Now, the medical system will offer you expensive solutions, blood pressure medications, energy pills, hormone replacement therapy, circulation enhancers, and while these have their place, what if there was a foundational approach that supported all these systems naturally? That's exactly what this banana coffee citrus combination does. And I'm going to show you the science behind each component. Let's start with the foundation. 1 ripe banana. Now, I know what you're thinking. A banana? That's it? But here's what most people don't understand about this incredible fruit and why it's specifically powerful for men's health. I'm peeling this ripe banana carefully because ripeness actually matters. The riper the banana, the more antioxidants it contains, and the easier it is for your body to digest and absorb its nutrients. Bananas are one of nature's most perfectly designed foods for male vitality, and here's why. First, let's talk about potassium. One medium banana contains about 422 milligrams of potassium. Why does this matter for men? Potassium is absolutely critical for healthy blood circulation. It helps your blood vessels relax and dilate, which means better blood flow to every organ in your body. Better circulation means better performance, better energy, and better function across the board. A study published in the American Heart Association Journal found that adequate potassium intake reduced the risk of cardiovascular issues by up to 24%. But here's what they don't tell you. Better cardiovascular health directly translates to better male performance and vitality. Now I'm cutting this banana into small pieces to make it easier to mash. While I do this, let me tell you about the B vitamins in bananas. Bananas are rich in vitamin B6, also called pyridoxine. This vitamin is crucial for energy metabolism, meaning it helps your body convert food into usable energy at the cellular level. But there's something even more important for men. Vitamin B6 is directly involved in the production and regulation of hormones, including testosterone. Research from the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry shows that vitamin B6 helps regulate hormone receptors and can support healthy testosterone levels. For men over 40, when testosterone naturally starts declining, every bit of nutritional support matters. I'm transferring these banana pieces into a small bowl now. Here's a fascinating fact that most people don't know. Bananas contain an enzyme called bromelain, which has been studied for its effects on male hormones and libido. Additionally, bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin. Serotonin isn't just the feel-good neurotransmitter. It also helps regulate sleep cycles. And here's the connection. Testosterone production happens primarily during deep sleep. Better sleep equals better hormone production. It's all connected. Now I'm mashing this banana with a fork until it's smooth. The texture matters because we want maximum absorption when we consume this. Another critical benefit of bananas that's especially important for active men, they support muscle function and recovery. The natural sugars provide quick energy, while the potassium prevents muscle cramps and supports muscle contraction. If you exercise, play sports, or do any physical activity, this becomes even more valuable. Bananas also contain something called resistant starch, especially when they're slightly green. This type of starch feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, and emerging research shows that gut health is directly connected to testosterone levels and overall male vitality. Your gut produces neurotransmitters and helps regulate hormones. A healthy gut means a healthier hormonal system. Now comes the game changer. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of instant coffee to this mashed banana. And this is where things get really interesting from a male health perspective. Coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up. It's actually one of the most studied beverages for male vitality and performance. Let me share some research that will surprise you. A study from the University of Texas Health Science Center found that men who consumed the caffeine equivalent of 2 to 3 cups of coffee daily were significantly less likely to experience erectile dysfunction. The prevalence was 42% lower compared to men who consumed almost no caffeine. Why? Because caffeine is a vasodilator, meaning it helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. It works through a mechanism similar to some prescription medications, but naturally and without side effects when consumed in appropriate amounts. I'm mixing this coffee and banana together until smooth. Here's another powerful benefit. Coffee contains compounds that may help boost testosterone levels. A study in the journal Nutrition found that men who regularly consumed coffee had higher testosterone levels than those who didn't. The mechanism involves caffeine's ability to increase the production of cyclic AMP, a molecule that signals cells to produce more testosterone. Coffee also contains antioxidants called polyphenols, which protect your cells from oxidative stress. This matters because oxidative stress damages the cells that produce testosterone. By protecting these cells, you're protecting your hormone production capacity. Additionally, caffeine has been shown to enhance physical performance by 11 to 12% on average. It increases adrenaline levels and releases fatty acids from fat tissue, making them available for energy. For men who want to stay active and strong, this is crucial. Now I'm slicing a fresh orange in half. Citrus fruits are about to take this mixture to the next level. I'm squeezing the juice out of this orange, and you can see that vibrant color. That color represents powerful compounds called flavonoids, and they're incredibly important for men's health. Oranges are famously rich in vitamin C, with one orange providing about 70 milligrams, nearly 100% of your daily requirement. But vitamin C does something specific for men that often gets overlooked. It supports healthy hormone production and helps reduce cortisol levels. Cortisol is the stress hormone that literally destroys testosterone. When cortisol is high, testosterone production drops. Vitamin C helps moderate cortisol, creating a more favorable hormonal environment. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that vitamin C supplementation helped reduce cortisol levels after intense exercise, allowing for better recovery and hormone balance. I'm scooping out the remaining pulp with a spoon because we don't want to waste any nutrition. Orange pulp contains fiber and additional phytonutrients that support overall health. Here's another critical benefit. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which is a structural protein that makes up your blood vessels. Stronger, more flexible blood vessels mean better circulation throughout your entire body. This directly impacts energy, stamina, and male performance. Oranges also contain a flavonoid called hesperidin, which has been specifically studied for cardiovascular health. Research shows it helps improve blood vessel function and reduces inflammation in the arterial walls. Better vascular health means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. Now I'm cutting a small slice of lemon and squeezing its juice right into the mix. Lemon adds more than just a zesty flavor. It's a metabolic activator. Lemon juice is highly acidic, which might seem counterintuitive, but it actually has an alkalizing effect once metabolized in your body. This helps balance your pH levels, and balanced pH is important for enzymatic activity and cellular function. But here's the specific male health benefit. Lemon juice significantly enhances iron absorption from plant-based foods. Iron is crucial for producing red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. Better oxygen delivery means more energy, better endurance, and improved physical performance. The vitamin C in lemon also supports the adrenal glands, which produce several hormones including DHEA, a precursor to testosterone. I'm adding all this fresh lemon juice to the rest of the ingredients now. Lemon also contains compounds called limonoids, which have been studied for their antioxidant and potential anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden enemies of healthy testosterone production. By reducing inflammation, you're creating an environment where your hormones can function optimally. Now I'm mixing everything together thoroughly. Look at this combination. The energy-sustaining carbohydrates and potassium from the banana, the circulation-boosting and testosterone-supporting compounds from the coffee, and the vitamin C, flavonoids, and metabolic enhancers from the citrus. This isn't just a drink, it's a targeted nutritional strategy for male vitality. Here's what happens when you consume this mixture. Within 30 to 45 minutes, the caffeine begins to take effect, dilating your blood vessels and increasing circulation. The natural sugars from the banana provide immediate energy, while the potassium supports that enhanced blood flow. The vitamin C from the citrus starts working to moderate cortisol and support your immune system. Within 1 to 2 hours, your body is absorbing the B vitamins, supporting cellular energy production and hormone regulation. The antioxidants are protecting your cells from oxidative damage. Your metabolism is elevated, and your body is functioning at a higher level. Over days and weeks of consistent use, the cumulative effects become even more noticeable. Sustained energy levels throughout the day, better mood and mental clarity, improved physical stamina and recovery, enhanced circulation and cardiovascular function, better sleep quality which supports hormone production, and overall improved vitality and confidence. This mixture works as a natural energy drink that supports heart health, increases vitality, and keeps you energized without the crash that comes from synthetic energy drinks or excessive caffeine. But here's what makes this truly special. It's supporting your body's own systems rather than artificially stimulating them. You're giving your body the raw materials it needs to function optimally. Now, let's talk about who can benefit most from this. If you're over 40 and noticing declining energy, this is for you. If you're over 50 and want to maintain the vitality and performance you had in your younger years, this is for you. If you're over 60 or even 70 and refuse to accept that aging means becoming inactive and tired, this is absolutely for you. Age is largely a matter of how well you maintain your body's systems. When you provide proper nutrition, manage inflammation, support circulation, and maintain hormone balance, your body can perform remarkably well regardless of the number of years you've been alive. Here are some important considerations. If you have any heart conditions or are sensitive to caffeine, start with half the amount of coffee and see how your body responds. If you're on blood pressure medication, consult with your healthcare provider, as the potassium in bananas can interact with certain medications. If you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar, as bananas do contain natural sugars, though the fiber helps moderate absorption. For best results, consume this mixture in the morning, preferably 30 minutes before breakfast or before a workout. The timing allows for optimal absorption and gives you sustained energy throughout the morning. Want to maximize the benefits even further? Combine this nutritional approach with regular physical activity, even just 30 minutes of walking daily. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, because that's when hormone production peaks. Manage stress through meditation, deep breathing, or activities you enjoy. Stay properly hydrated with 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Reduce processed foods and focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. These lifestyle factors work synergistically with this nutritional mixture to support optimal male health at any age. There you have it. The complete breakdown of why this simple 3-ingredient combination is helping men in their 60s, 70s, and beyond maintain energy, vitality, and performance that surprises everyone around them. This isn't about expensive supplements or pharmaceutical interventions. This is about understanding what your body needs and providing it consistently. Ancient wisdom about these ingredients is now being validated by modern science. The research is clear. Proper nutrition targeted at circulation, hormone support, energy production, and cellular health can dramatically impact how you age. I'll see you in the next video where we explore another science-backed natural strategy for optimal male health. Until then, take charge of your vitality.